Hey guys, it's Sarah here, and I was coming on to review this air dry clay. Thank you so much to the company for sending it out to me. This is the company name right there. As you can see, 96 colors. My daughter was so excited to get this, so thank you so much. As you can see, she's already used it. But when you open this, it's crazy just at the color options. They seem endless. So many different colors. I'll show you, dig under here. My daughter already has created some things, and I'll show you. She says that it dries quickly, so it's nice of the company. They sent you these little bags. After you use it, you can put it in these little Ziploc bags to keep it from getting hard. So here are the little bags that they give you. They give you these little tools right here that you can use to create the things. It comes with the little manual. And it has some different things that you can create in there. It shows you how to do it, gives you some ideas. So that's the stuff she already used. Let's show you some of the things she created. Tell me this is not the cutest. This is my favorite that she did so far. A little duck, and it has a bow. How stinking cute. All right, and then she did a little mouse. Look at that, guys. So little, so adorable. A little pigeon. Oh my word, fresh. A platypus. You can get so creative. There's so many colors. You can basically make anything you want. You guess what that is? Strawberry jam on a piece of toast with a little butter knife on a plate. So, but my favorite is this little guy right here. So cute. So precious, the little bow. All right, guys, so that's it. But like I said, they have a Ziploc bag, so it keeps the molding clay moldable. All the different colors. You got so many color options: pinks, blues, yellows, all the colors, purples. Look over here. That's a pretty color. But just look at that, guys. Endless colors. I love it. My daughter's super pumped about this. Definitely check it out, and happy shopping, guys. Bye-bye.